Okay, so the question just came up on the whole scamming thing. I was on a podcast with Liquor Talk and we got a little racy, so it'll be out soon and I'll probably post it on this channel. I wanted to take off from where he and I left off. We were talking about how do you spot scammers? What do you do about scammers? How do you stay safe? Hi, I'm Deb Dutcher Dating Coach, and I love to talk about dating online, how to stay safe, be fearless, and meet someone adorable. I met my guy on a dating site. We were both 70 and now we're 73. So we've been together 3 years. I believe you can meet great people on dating sites. And I also believe there's a lot of scammers and people trying to catfish. So there's a lot of ways to handle that. But the easiest one is your social media search. And if they're not in social media, you run a background check. Never meet with someone you do not have a last name and you haven't been able to connect them somehow in another forum besides the dating app. Okay? Simple, simple. Last name, age, city of residence, and tell them you're going to run a background check. Watch how fast scammers and catfishers just run. So it's not that hard, right? We have a way to stay safe. All we have to do is use it. So I just do these little tiny tidbit, little videos, little advice videos for you guys. I can go into a lot more detail. You can get me on a fearless dating strategy call, and we can go deep. We can talk about what you're dealing with, what you want to have in your life. It can happen. Dating apps can work as long as you know how to use them the right way. All right, I'd love to help you. Deb Dutcher, Dating Coach. Let's talk.